Well. I think that's the second part of the question. Encourage indzaba yekukhulumisana, because the cases that the femicide cases that we are seeing usukela nje eminyakeni lephelile, people labakwendago bayacabana bavuke evele omunye ukuthi ngivele ungilimete phela lo mfowethu uqala to hold there is what we call a cycle of violence. Angisale ngichaza from that dimension. Aqale abinzi kube kanye ngelinye ilanga athi I realize ukuthi ngidawushona la ahambe ayopota mhlawumbe emaphoyiseni lo muntu ukade acala kumshaya ngoba I-violence kahle what we need to understand the physical violence nalokushona ngifuna kuspecify kakhulu kulokushona ukhanza kwekuthi lo muntu kusuke ngasiyo first incidents. So kade solo agwenda uyabinza uqala futhi uqala ngicela nikunake shem young people uqala ngelanguage angendiwa njalo mina red flag ngishayele uku red flag mtshele futhi ukuthi yathi lo lwimi nale language nale choice of ngicela ukunaka umkhulume ukhulume naye lo wekunene naye atokhona kusitakala ayithi umkhulumisa ukuthi uyamcwayi atositakala ngomngani wakho angisho. Next thing lelandzelako so ufike la sisi ahambe ayopota nakapotako sisi nathi ubuyele endlini afika athi ngiyaxolisa and bangene ekameleni kuzibe mnandi asisi sengiyo withdraw I-case I withdraw niyabona sifika njani withdraweni nala withdraweni akusho ukuthi ngisuke mhlawumbe vele ngiculusekile yinyini but songijubele wangendathi into leti soft nyana futhi uyathi phela weakness yami ukuthi ngakuphi uyabona lo moya nje ngabe so young hey baby sorry man so kuthama uphethe timbali chocolate nale ncwadi lo ye module yakho lo so shoda ngayo ngalelo langa angachamuka nayo after akushayile. And letimfo leti tichamuka netimfo leti tawuthi lesinye isikhathi kuhamba ufike esigabeni ukuthi nayo tahle futhi akubuyisela ngakuwe athi but nawe mani ngabo yabo nje nawugcoya bo skinny bakho vele bese yabo so uyakuphendvula le sekucreate ukuthi wena umvikele from lesento sakhe. That's another thing. So kukule cycle ye violence in general. I think my conversations need to dwell so much on the cycle of violence. We are talking to the young people about red flags, but when do we see the red flags? When do you mark your red flags? The red flags. So vele indzaba yokuthi sisakhulumisana buqala bamva bamake ukushayile kusemthethweni black and white ungpartner wakho ulele nawe ningakavumelani buqala busemthethweni black and white iroute yekupota imhlophe nke uyahamba uye emaphoyiseni uyothola sito you need more counseling back referral kunema referrals lesibese sesikuthatha through bona nawe utositakala. So indzaba yokukhulumisana bamva bakethi ayibe incane kakhulu ayibe incane kakhulu buqala nje. Yes, let's understand what I said earlier to say we misinterpret the legislation itself. Angathi nje ukuthi buqala kusebenzisa nje vulgar language kimi ngingiphathina nakho awungihloniphi. Why am I with you ungangihloniphi? Timvo leti ngijabulisako uyanyembenya. Uyayibona emvo leyo. How baby esikoleni bangiphikile ngiya ku panel kamanje lemvo kude nje na kuyokhuluma ngebafana. So those are the things that we really need to be careful of. And then indzaba ye second reporting, again the SODV Act puts it in black and white ukuthi if kwendeka ubona uwitnessa any act le categorized under violence yibike ngoba uma ungabiki kwananawe you are an accomplice kuloko asibikeni kuhlukubeteka kumakhelwane mina nje na when we do this advocacy I always emphasize endzabeni ye bystander tendencies. Let's quit. Let's stop this thing ukuthi uyambona bayamshaya bayamthuka uya video wisha uyofaka social media. Are you helping guys? You're not, because lama comments la besayalandzela lapho and it was very oh God, it was so heartbreaking. Masicela nje kunaka kakhulu ama incidences lakalandzelana ekubulawa bebantu besifazane. There was even a cartoon circulating on social media which kholwa lokuncane ukuthi it was created by young people. Mathi bulala ingwadla. I mean, we have sisters, we have our aunts, we have our mothers, we have our brothers, because even our brothers, even the males, are survivors of gender-based violence.
No, thank you very much, Director. You know, as a sakhuluma, ngiyatibuta ngoba phela previously besathi ukuthi bantu labashayana ngoba bantu labakuma committed relationships. Nasi semjolweni. Anganoma ngikhulunyiswa ngokuba over 40 yini. Ushaya kanjani mfana nebandvu? Anyway, ngicabanga ukuthi bantu labasha batasiphendvula ukuthi sifika kanjani lapho where young people feel it's okay. Sicela ama responses from my